Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this magazine text collage edit on Canva. So go to elements and I'm just going to find magazine. You can also use newspaper for the background. It is completely up to you. My internet is really lagging today, so I just have to wait a couple of minutes for it. Okay, there it is. So just add these in. And just kind of edit it. Well, move it around. It is totally up to you. What else can we use? It's loading really slow. So like these, just add it. And once you're kind of done with this, you're now going to add in hold on, let me just add more. You're going to add in these kind of text. And the way to find it is just simply by searching the letter that you want. I'm just going to do H for mine, so H first. Okay, wow, this is taking a long time. And I'm going to spell hello with it. You can also change the background if you'd like with the colors. I'm going to just choose this one, and I'm just going to add in my first H. And then next you're going to search for E. Just trying to spell out something very short. Hello isn't actually short. Love is shorter, but that word is a little bit overused, so I'm not going to do that. Actually, I'll be right back once I've added all the letters, so you guys don't have to wait. And yeah, I will be right back when I have all of the magazine letters. And this is what it should look like at the end once you're done assembling all of the letters. Mine just says hello, and some of the letters, as you can see, are moving. There are some options for you to do that. As you can see, this one's moving, but the H, L, and O aren't moving. So that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!